Director, come. All files on Benin City Water Store. Bring them out. You join them now. Where's the DFA? Check your diary. Five. What's the file number?
515 upgrading of Benin City Water Store.
Yeah, Benin City Water Store. The file, I need it.
They are all on that.
Oh yeah, go and bring it. Go and bring it. Scum, all payments. You come in and go and do what I'm telling you now. All payments that relates to Benin City Water Store.
Yes, sir.
I want to see it. Go and get ready. Go and get them out now.
They are here.
This one of them.
This one of them?
Okay, sir.
Yes, the upgrading of storm water.
It's not, they are many, sir.
There are many. Don't bring all. It's all we want. All, then enter them into a paper.
Okay, sir.
It's part of it.
Yes, they are also doing water.
They are all
Yes.
upgrading. Yes, they bring them. We bring all of them here. Oh, we are carrying them away.
To be safely relocated from this ministry to safe location. So this is a five.
Account.
This. Upgrade of this storm.
This one there, move.
This
one there, move. So many 36 files. Sorry, count them to be sure. 36. The rope. Is it a file? Give me so that they can add it to it. Which one? I don't know what this one was.
Which one is this?
The last page 57. That is originating that.
Type the summary. Summary of what? What is the heading?
Summary of implementation of the city stormwater master plan total payments.
Oh yeah. From 2018 to 2020. Give him a good heading. Then be with her to the typing.
And those who have our engineers, we have there too.
You are sure they have the files there too?
We have files. We send them that certificate given to us. It's given to them. We sign and they sign. They are both engineers, not just us. So it's a joint project now. Not just for environment, you know.
Beneath Stormwater, you know, it's a kind of a joint project between this ministry and your ministry. So any file, look for your files that is related to the Stormwater beg. So let's meet in the government house. Oga wants us to bring every file to his office now.
In the list of the engineers.
Yes. I've already gotten all my files, but I know definitely you still have some files in your area. So just gather it so that we meet in government house.
So that's the list of the
The little one you have, whatever you have that relates to it, I beg. Then some of your engineers that supervise the project, names of the engineers, whether retired or serving, so that we also, I beg. Please, just treat urgently, I beg.
No, take him now. Anytime we can live here. Put the name. Need to get it.
Where's Chriso? Join your car, man.
What's that mean, sir? Sir, what's that mean?